Hello guys, I am recording this audio sample of Micca RB42 with an input of only 30 watt input through an amp which is of actually a lower input which I am giving, and this is at 80% of bass, 80% of treble, and volume maybe around 50%. I am sitting at 12 feet distance from the speakers. That is what you can hear. And then in between I'll be moving to half distance, that is around 6 feet. You can feel the difference because from this 12 feet, at least during the recording you cannot feel the loudness, but physically I can hear the best loudness here. So yeah, that's about it will go.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who'll dance on the floor around. She said, I am the one who will dance on the floor around. Told me her name was Billie Jean. She caused a scene, and every head turned with eyes that dreamed of being the one who'll dance on the floor. Going through emotion.